guys, it's Gina. I'm excited about this new find today. So I purchased these 12 by 18 inch canvases. They actually come in a set of 3. I'm going to show them all to you here in just a minute, but I want to kind of talk about them first. They are very lightweight and they are actually put on what appears to be, I believe, a pine wood frame, and they are canvases, and I think that's why they are so lightweight. They come in a multitude of different designs. So if the design I'm showing you is not like your style or your vibe, that's okay. There are others to choose from. I picked out the 12 inch by 18 inch size, but they also come in 24 by 36 if you're looking for something bigger. But let me kind of go over or show you the different ones. So this is the first version. This is the second one. I can't decide. I think this one might be my favorite. I'll show you the third. There we go. So for me, the style that I picked is kind of that boho farmhouse style, but that fits perfectly in my home. But I want to show you how they work together. If I wanted to put them all on the same wall, in fact, straight across or right across from each other, I could totally do that. I also wanted to tell you that they do come with a hanging kit, which I think is kind of cool. So each one of these came with its own hanging kit. I'm going to hang up one behind me to let you see what it looks like with simply just a thumbtack. And you can see just how easily it hangs. This is another great find, and if you get these, I think you're going to really love them.